I know for him back the killer wheels. Not the killer wheels. I gotta wait till they come back close my board again. Work no killer wheels down across the ocean there so blowing all the time. The easier from me a little bit. They're coming back again now. The day coming up there look. Let the y'all look. Go up there, look at my back steer look. Look, come me kill a real back steer there, look. I know they're running same man, they're gonna be running some brand of fish.
They're running some fuck.
They're going back my boys. Let the bear man kill a whale in front of the boat there, look. So without wave no breath, they kill a whale. That lucky man one. Man, I go, man, I left me again. I just say, gun camera, they're running far from me, boy. Let one there, look. Let one there, no come up there, look. Let one, I say the board over this side here, look. Look at the there, no blowing there, look. Let one can come up and blow there, look. I don't even look to see the diagram and see. But let the killer there, no one work on the boat there, look. You see, come up in water there, no, look. I know when I can see the diagram of the wheels in water. Let the wheels no blowing front there, like 2 wheels. All around this boat here blowing. But I'm trying to get my gear from about here. As far as I get my low gear from about here, moving from about here. I only want to get my low gear from overboard. With this killer wheels. The round man. They play smart, they hold the way coming back, you know.
Yeah.
That's how they hunt.
Yeah. I think it's funny, but we ain't nothing about.
But they hunting, yeah. I get me gear for about here going and left them. They go back off the board again, look. I don't do no come up on that side of there. Right there, boy. Wait, wait, get there. I had a year they're behind the board again, look. They're up behind there coming down again. I get the year going there and then long line and the fly fishing, the men come down, boy. I come all and can't pull in I things. The year coming down, I know the epics. This camera here might get the swimming, look. They coming behind the day coming down, you see like 4 or 5 of the day. People must barely see. Yo! Them men coming, go up there, look, they're coming down, look. Go up there, look a big ass big one there, look, man. Mark you up on you side there, look. Look.
You see it? You heard it?
You see it there, you round part.
Just gonna keep around them, though.
When you round part, but where just though. Look at you.
My words, you know, like Santa.
Yeah. It's 2 of them there swimming together, Jack. You make... Like... Now boy told you, if you're coming down, be back in board again. Look here, they're coming down in water, look. Coming down, standing back. I want to get it good when you know the water, when you know the water blow. Killer whales in the Caribbean. So you know what's going on. Climate changes. I see them 1 or 2 times, but yeah, you scared of any other time. 4 minutes of killer whales. The man got me all wrong with boat guard, did he? Running hard as that. Like it?
Where's that down there? They got not saying on there. I tell you, man, find this stuff.
Might know that they're all wrong. I thought they were running down by boots. How you gonna make sure you don't drop overboard like that?
So, but you ain't done.
Well, check Burns. Burns is the pickup man today. And the video cameraman for sure. I is the video cameraman. One of them is giving the roughest videos. Killer whale video today.